Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to navigate and use the Practitioner Setup screen. The Practitioner Setup List is the backbone of managing your practices team. It's where you add, edit, and organize practitioner details to keep everything accurate and up to date. But why does this matter? Because a well-managed team means smoother daily operations. Whether you're updating a single practitioner's details or configuring multidisciplinary practitioners who juggle multiple roles, this tool ensures everyone is in the right place doing the right work. With efficient role management, your practice runs seamlessly, which reduces confusion, improves workflows, and makes sure no one falls through the cracks. This tutorial video will start on the Practitioner Setup tab. For more information on how to navigate to the Practitioner Setup tab, please refer to the Configuration segment user manual linked in this video's description. In the Practitioner Setup tab, you'll see the Practitioner List. This is where you can view all the practitioners registered in the system. It includes all medical professionals linked to your practice, regardless of their specific role or discipline. For more information on the Practitioner List screen, please refer to the Practitioner List screen Navigation and Use user manual linked in this video's description. Now let's look at the multidisciplinary practitioner role. This feature allows you to assign multiple roles to a practitioner within different cases. For example, if a practitioner works as both a general practitioner and a specialist, you can assign them multiple roles within specific medical cases. Essentially here, you can assign or manage the roles of practitioners who perform various functions. For more detailed instructions on how to use the multidisciplinary practitioner role screen, refer to the Multidisciplinary Practitioner Role screen Navigation and Use user manual linked in this video's description.